Another thing about this house on Omer Street that we've showed you, the Attorney General says as officers were doing that search yesterday, they were literally about to fall through the floor there.
So who is this family? Well, 10 TV's Carla Rogner has spent the day reaching out to relatives and digging through records to learn more about the Siders family.
She joins us now live from Gallia County. And Carla, you've been on top of this story since it first broke yesterday.
Yeah, what we learned through court records that a place they've spent a lot of time in is here in Gallipolis, Ohio. This is in Gallia County, but we spent the day going to some of their old addresses here and talking to neighbors, and no one recognized the family members, let alone knew there were children living inside those homes. This morning, the Vinton County prosecutor referred to Gary Sr. and Christina as the grandparents and said Elizabeth and Gary Jr. were parents, but would not say if Elizabeth was the mother of all 16 children. We learned through a marriage record from West Virginia that Gary Siders Jr. wed Elizabeth in 2008 when she was just 15 years old. That's the same year the first child was born. We looked through the family's criminal records. Aside from a few traffic issues, a DUI for Gary Sr. in 1998 was the most serious offense we could find. Authorities say the family bounced around southeastern Ohio, even Wisconsin, before landing in the Vinton County home where authorities uncovered this house of horrors.
Just almost beyond comprehension that this stuff can happen in our country, and that it can happen in a house at the hands of people who are in charge of taking care of kids.
Yeah, right now, all 4 members of the Siders family are in jail on a $300,000 bond. Authorities said this morning the focus now turns towards getting justice for these 16 children. Reporting live in Gallia County, Carla Rogner, 10 TV News.
It's so important that they are safe now. And Attorney General Andy Wilson did stress that there's no ongoing threat to the public. This was an intra-family event, and they are asking people to come forward if you have any more information about it, if you have any details about the Siders family. No matter how small you might think those details are, you're asked to call 855-BCI-OHIO. That's 855-224-6446. We will continue here at 10 TV to push for answers to a lot of questions. As new details emerge, we will update you on the air and online. Just be sure to download our free news app on your phone. You can get new information.